solve the equation, identify any extraneous solutions. First step is we're going to factor the denominators in the equation. So we have y over y plus 2 minus y plus 6 over y squared minus 4 is difference of squares. So it's factored as y plus 2, y minus 2, plus 2 over y minus 2 equals 0. By inspecting the denominators, we see that the solution cannot be 2 or negative 2. So y cannot equal 2 or negative 2. We also see that the least common denominator for this problem is the product of y plus 2 times y minus 2. We're going to multiply both sides of the equation by the least common denominator. So we're going to multiply this part of the equation by y plus 2 times y minus 2, and this by y plus 2 times y minus 2. We now distribute the y plus 2, y minus 2, and then divide out the common factors. So distributing the y plus 2, y minus 2 through the parentheses, we have y plus 2, y minus 2 times y over y plus 2 minus y plus 2 times y minus 2 times y plus 6 over y plus 2 y minus 2 plus y plus 2 times y minus 2 times 2 over y minus 2 equals 0 times y plus 2 y minus 2. Dividing out the common factors, we get y times y minus 2 minus y plus 6 plus 2 times y plus 2 equals 0. Distributing the y through the parentheses, we get y squared minus 2y minus y minus 6 plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. Combining like terms, we get y squared minus 2a minus y is minus 3y plus 2y is minus y. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2 equals 0. We now have a quadratic equation in standard form, so we proceed to factor. This gives us y minus 2 times y plus 1 equals 0. Using the zero factor theorem, we have y minus 2 is 0, or y plus 1 is 0. That gives us y equals 2, or y equals negative 1. Because 2 is a number that cannot be a solution, it causes an expression to be undefined. 2 is extraneous. So the only solution is negative 1.